Welcome students. I am Dr. Kim Rodriguez, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nouvelle Goa. Today I will be teaching culinary uses of herbs for second year BSc Botany Semester 4 students. Course code BOS 102, course title Herbal Technology. Title of the unit, Unit 4, Herbal Cosmetics and Nutraceuticals. Module name, Culinary Uses of Herbs. The module outline is Culinary Herbs. The learning outcome of the module is describes the flavor, culinary uses and benefits of herbs. Culinary herbs. Culinary herbs are aromatic edible plants used in small amounts to add flavor to dishes. Most herbs are used for both culinary and medicinal uses and come from plants that may be used for their leaves as herbs and also for their seeds as spices. Chefs and home cooks alike use fresh and dried herbs to make both sweet and savory dishes. Fresh herbs are generally preferred over dried herbs for culinary purposes, although there are advantages to using dried herbs. While fresh herbs have a much shorter lifespan, dried herbs can maintain their flavor for up to 6 months when stored in an airtight container in a dark place at room temperature. While dried herbs are typically used throughout the cooking process, as prolonged heat and exposure to moisture can draw the flavors out of the herbs. Fresh herbs are more commonly added towards the end of the cooking process or as a garnish at the end of cooking. Dried herbs contain a more concentrated amount of flavor than fresh herbs and therefore are used in smaller quantities than fresh herbs. Basil, Ocimum basilicum. Culinary experts consider it as a royal herb used primarily for its aroma. Flavor, initial subtle peppery flavor evolving into a slightly sweet aromatic flavor. Culinary uses, basil is used in sauces for fish and pasta dishes, vegetable soups, salads, fish and seafood dishes, frozen desserts and cocktails. Basil has long been considered as an antidepressant. It stimulates hormones that regulate the body's natural response to stress, helps control blood pressure, regulate menstrual cycle, stimulate immune system, and is a rich source of antioxidants. In this image, we can see basil. Mint, mentha. Flavor, warm, fresh, aromatic, sweet flavor with a cool aftertaste. Culinary uses, mint is added to meats, salads, desserts, flavor cubes and cocktails. Benefits, mint helps in easing stomach aches, calming anxiety and promoting restful sleep. In this image, we can see mint. Oregano, Origanum vulgare. Flavor, aromatic, warm and slightly bitter. Culinary uses, oregano is well known as the pizza herb. It is an essential ingredient in many Italian dishes, including pizza, pasta, and roasted vegetables. It is also used in soups, sauces, meats, alcoholic beverages, and snack foods. Benefits, oregano is a health-boosting herb with antibacterial properties. In this image, we can see oregano. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Flavor, tea-like aroma and a piney flavor. Culinary uses, rosemary is used to make salad dressings and marinades. It is also used in pasta, sauces, soups, desserts and cocktails. Benefits, rosemary provides relief from anxiety, indigestion, headache, joint pain, cold and flu. In this image, we can see rosemary. Coriander, Coriandrum sativum. It is also known as cilantro. Flavor, fresh and citrus-like. Culinary uses, coriander adds distinctive flavor to mixed vegetables, salads, soups, stews and meats. Benefits, coriander is nutritive. That is, good source of dietary fiber, iron, magnesium, rich source of flavonoids, phytonutrients and antioxidants. A digestive aid, helps to prevent flatulence and settle queasy stomach, soothes nausea. Coriander has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In this image, we can see coriander. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Flavor, subtle dry aroma and a slightly minty flavor. Culinary uses, thyme is added to pasta sauces, soups, stews, vegetables, meat, poultry and fish dishes. Benefits: thyme can be used for relief from respiratory problems, relieve joint pain and promoting proper digestion. In this image, we can see thyme. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Flavor, robust piney aroma and earthy, sweet and savory flavor with a peppery bite. Culinary uses: sage is used to flavor meat and poultry dishes. Benefits: sage is a rich source of antioxidants, helps in digestion and treats inflammatory conditions. In this image, we can see sage. Dill, Anethum graveolens. Flavor, soft, sweet. Culinary uses: dill is used in pickling mixtures, soups, stews, sauces, and dressings for salads, eggs, meat, and seafood dishes. Benefits: dill helps in easing stomach ailments, heartburn, remedying cold and flu. In this image, we can see dill. Parsley, Petroselinum crispum. Flavor, mild bitter taste that emphasizes other flavors. Culinary uses: parsley is commonly used in soup, stew, salads, savory and baked dishes to add flavor and aroma. Benefits: luteolin and vitamin C present in parsley act as anti-inflammatory agents. Parsley is rich in chlorophyll that works as a blood purifier. Myristicin, a compound present in parsley, prevents tumor formation, especially in the lungs, and helps prevent cancer. In this image, we can see parsley. Lemongrass, Cymbopogon citratus. Flavor, tart, citrus-like flavor with notes of pepper. Culinary uses: lemongrass is prized for its lemon flavor, which is similar to lemon zest due to the same high citral levels it shares with lemon rind. Lemongrass is used to flavor curries, stir-fries, pickles, soups, stews, salads, vegetable and rice dishes. Benefits: lemongrass promotes digestion and acts as a diuretic. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial and antifungal properties. In this image, we can see lemongrass. To summarize, culinary herbs are aromatic edible plants used for their green or leafy part for seasoning and flavoring a recipe, but not used as the main ingredient. Chefs and home cooks alike use fresh and dried herbs to make both sweet and savory dishes. Fresh herbs are generally preferred over dried herbs for culinary purposes. Some of the common culinary herbs are basil, mint, oregano, rosemary, coriander, thyme, sage, dill, parsley, and lemongrass. These are some of the references. Thank you.